Within the Advisor portal, RightCapital allows users to view and customize the model portfolios that are leveraged within all client plans. RightCapital software includes 7 proprietary asset portfolios which advisors can reference while analyzing a client's investment strategy. These portfolios utilize asset classes developed by Morningstar to compare and project a client's assets with different rates of return and standard deviation. This gives advisors the freedom to evaluate a client's investments as it relates to their probability of success and ending investable assets. Advisors can also create custom model portfolios that align with their desired investment goals. Model portfolios will generate a specific rate of return and standard deviation based on the assumptions affiliated within each advisor login. Once the data entry has been completed, RightCapital will automatically compare the client's asset allocation to a target allocation that has been customized for each advisor's login. This gives the freedom to evaluate the client's investments and easily demonstrate the value of reinvesting into a different goal. To align a desired target allocation for all new clients, advisors can adjust the global settings within the Advisor portal, gear icon, Account Client Presets tab. Here, an advisor can determine the target allocation that will appear in the Investment tab of each new plan. Once the models have been reviewed within the Advisor portal Models tab, they can be leveraged within specific plans. The 2 analysis tools that will be affected by model portfolios will be the Investment tab and the Retirement Analysis Action Items area. In the Investment tab, advisors can see the client's current asset allocation as determined by the data entry within the Profile Net Worth area. This is automatically compared to a target allocation on the right. The action items at the bottom of the screen will produce the steps needed to balance the current asset allocation to the target. Your specific recommendations can also be added in the Notes area, which will print directly on the report. The Investment tab offers a simple pie chart that organizes the client's investments into a simple visual that is easy for the client to comprehend. Advisors can use this tool to explain where the client's investments are allocated as of today and demonstrate the additional value of a target allocation on the right. In the Retirement Analysis area, advisors can take recommendations one step further by proposing a change in the investment allocation using the model portfolios. RightCapital will then run an additional 1,000 Monte Carlo trials on the data to provide a comparison to the client's current asset allocation. The investment strategy can then be compared over the individual's planning horizon. As always, if there are any questions on using or creating model portfolios within RightCapital software, please reach out to our support team through the live chat feature on the bottom right side of the screen, or search RightCapital support options within the Help Center.